Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the slide where you want to draw. Click Insert Drawing New or switch to Present and select the pen. Once done, choose Line and pick Scribble or select the pen in Presentation mode. You're using Scribble because it converts freehand into smooth strokes and keeps edits vector-based. Make sure the slide has enough white space. That prevents accidental shapes. This first step places you directly into drawing mode, so you can begin tracing shapes or adding annotations immediately. You draw with deliberate, steady motion to get cleaner, more accurate strokes. Quick jerks create jagged lines. Once drawn, click the Scribble to access edit points, drag nodes to refine curves, and change stroke weight or color from the toolbar to match your design. If you need a perfect shape, trace then replace by using the Outline tool and snapping to guides. Alternatively, duplicate the scribble and smooth the duplicate. These edits let you balance the natural feel of hand, drawing with polished, presentation-ready graphic. You finish by arranging your scribbles, group related strokes, align to guides, and set layer order so nothing disappears behind shapes. Then apply format tweaks, shadow, transparency, or stroke style to integrate the drawing into the slide. If the scribble lags or won't edit, refresh the slide, try a different browser, or clear the cache. Sometimes redrawing with a slower hand fixes conversion errors. Finally, export or present, and make sure to save a copy as vector shapes for future edits so you don't lose quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.